how to send an email for beginners. So if you want to send an email, if you're a beginner, then first you need to open up your email application or your Gmail application. Now you need to tap on Compose, which will be on the bottom right. Once you're on your Compose, you will have this kind of interface, right? So here you will have two. So this is where you're going to put your email address that you're wanting to send an email to. Now if you already have the person's email address saved to your phone, you can hit the plus icon, which will be on the right side, and you'll be able to add the person if you've saved. But if you've not saved, then you need to just type in that person's email address. So I've selected a person. Now you can add multiple persons if you want to, or multiple accounts if you want to. So now what you're going to do is the next option is the subject. So this is the heading that a person sees whenever they first get your email. So I'll just simply go with this is a demo email, and under compose email you need to write the purpose of why you're sending the email. Like if you want to add some attachments, you can go and add some attachments, but you'll have the option on the top right. You can just simply add some photos or files, or from your drive you can add some files. Or if you want to go with some message, then you can write a message like, for example, hey, and after that go with send, which is on the top right, and it has been sent. Now you can go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then tap on send, and as you can see that the message has been sent. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.